Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to have a look at free antivirus solutions for Windows 11. It's a great idea to have an antivirus installed, guys, because it can save you time and money as well. We're going to open Microsoft Edge from our taskbar. Here, guys, we prepared the links a bit. We have Bitdefender Free Antivirus as our number 3 on the list. Search for these keywords on the internet and then look for the official website bitdefender.com and the link that says Bitdefender Free Antivirus for Windows. Left click once to open the link. And here, guys, you can find the download link, the button that says free download for Windows. Left click once on the button and it will download the setup, which you can run to install Bitdefender. We found that Bitdefender offers real-time protection, which is what we need. It also offers a quick scan and a full system scan, so you can scan the whole of your PC and clean up any infected files. It also offers a ransomware shield. The best thing in comparison to other free antiviruses, guys, is that it also offers a customer support, which is included, which is great because the other antivirus software don't offer customer support in their free solution. As a downside, guys, is the fact that in comparison to the other free antiviruses that we found, it's relatively simple, as we will see. To go to our number 2, that is Avast Free Antivirus. Search for these keywords on the internet and then look for the official website, which is avast.com. The link that says Avast Free Antivirus 2020. Left click once on the link to open it. And again, guys, we have the free download button here, which will download the setup and you can install it. A good thing in comparison to Bitdefender is that they don't ask you to create an account. You can check out all the features. We found out that Avast offers real-time protection. It also offers an on-demand scan, a ransomware shield, but it also blocks malicious websites. It checks for data leaks in regards to your email address, and it offers Wi-Fi network security. So it has some online protection options. We didn't find any downside to Avast, guys, but there's also a more complete antivirus on the market, and that is Avira. Look for Avira Free Antivirus on your search engine and then look for the official website, which is avira.com, and the link that says Avira Free Antivirus for Windows, free download. Left click once on the link to open it, and on the website, the same as the other two, guys, you have the download button. Again, it won't ask you to create an account, which is great. You can check out details about the antivirus on the web page. And we also installed it, guys, so we're gonna have a quick look. We're gonna open it from the notifications. It offers you a scan and then it tells you on the different categories what you need to fix. And as we can see, it's noticed that we have 2 outdated apps, the email is not monitored, there are some privacy issues. We can also free up some space. It also checks the registries, which is great, and it mentions that we have 2 slow startup apps. If you check out the tab on the left, guys, we have the security issues, the privacy, and the performance. So as we can see, it has a lot of options like the software updater here under security. Under privacy, it has a VPN, which you can use for 500 megabytes. And in short, guys, it has a lot of features in comparison to the other antiviruses. Okay, guys, that's it in short in regards to antiviruses. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.